question.
But yo, E-boy, I'm feeling strange again. I'm a fucking alien. Yo, I was sent here to annoy you and destroy your tiny mind. One sublime line at a time. I'm weird, I like to rap using words that don't sound the same. I'm unpredictable. You all thought I was gonna say rhyme, and I just smoked all my herbs. So now I got no time for even breathing. I'm heaving, I'm about to throw up my spine. I'll soon be leaving, so just leave me. I'm doing nothing but minding my own business. I lost my mind. I'm chronic evil in disguise, so now I'm on another level. Like I was given a walk whistle. Fuck it, I'm the devil on a mission with a missile. My need for knowledge has got me eating brain tissue. Bitch, I'll kiss you like I miss you, then blow your head to make a fucking soup. I ain't got a fucking clue. I'm lost in the moment, stuck in a fucking loop. I swear I still think it's fucking 92. Fuck, how many fucks is this guy gonna fucking use? I ain't got a Scooby-Doo, but I'll soon be fucking you. I'll be going balls deep. I'm high like the fucking Wolf of Wall Street. Never stepping on toes, I guess I was just born with small feet. And I like my plates, like my dates, please give me more meat. I found out where heaven is, but I lost the fucking door key. I guess I'm kinda dorky. Fuck an iPhone, I rock a walkie-talkie, smelling like weed and feeling all sorts of naughty. I don't know why I'm so blatant, it's the way that Satan taught me. I've never told the truth. Oink, oink, that's a porky. And I still remember falling like it was now, it ain't the past to me. I was like a bad case, nobody wanted to catch me, so I'll break myself and bounce. Now no one's chasing me, but everyone's after me. My existence is one big happy blasphemy. I'm a fucking fifth element, so gifted that it's evident they made me as the dare. I'm just a fucked up experiment. They injected intellect till I hold on intelligence. I'm too real for you to feel the presence of my relevance. Yo, I can't describe my frame of mind. It's too pure, hard to find. You're too raw, one of a kind. I'm an open book. Come and look inside, now unwind. Come and fly with me for a while. You're on the golden child. I could heal you. Yo, suck you, man. Fuck it.